Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about upsert. So if we have a list containing the mix of new and existing records, we can process insertions and updates. Updates to insertions and updates to all the records in the list. And that how can we do that? We can do that by using upsert statement. And upserts helps us to avoid creation of duplicate records, and it can save our time. Okay, so if we have a list containing the mix of new and existing records, we can process insertions and updates. Okay, insertion and updates to all the records in the list. And how can we do that? That is by using upsert statement. Okay, so it also upsert helps to avoid creation of duplicate records also. Creation of duplicate records. Okay, so let's see how to do that. We'll go to developer console, then file, new apex class. Okay, so I'll name this class as my upsert class. Click on OK. Okay, the name is already present, so let me change the name of the class, my upsert class 2. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll insert a contact. I'll just comment here, insert a contact. So how can we insert a contact? So for inserting a contact, I can use contact. I'll give my name Sumit is equal to new contact. Okay, so in this is a variable, Sumit variable. Okay, contact Sumit is equal to new contact, and first name will be my name, that is Sumit, and comma last name will be Sharma. Okay, and then what can we add here? Department will be IT. Okay, so we have to end this with semicolon. I'll check once again. Contact Sumit is equal to new contact. First name is Sumit and last name is Sharma, and department is IT. What I'll do is I'll insert what? This variable Sumit. Copy here and paste semicolon. So after inserting this, I will just do debug, open execute anonymous window. Then we can call this class, and how to call the class and method? We have to use this class name. Give any variable is equal to new class name. Okay, now dot we have to call the method, but the thing is we have not created the method yet. So I will create a method, public void, it will not return anything, method 1. Copy this and paste it here and save. Okay, so now debug, open execute anonymous window, and I'll just select this and click on execute highlighted. After doing this, I'll just go to the contact, because I have called the method now. I'll go to the contact and check whether the record is inserted or not. So contacts, okay. So here what we have done is just created a class, given a method m1, and contact Sumit is equal to new contact. In this first name is equal to Sumit and last name is Sharma. The department is IT, and what I am doing is I am inserting this variable Sumit, and this will get inserted in the contact. Sometimes it takes time. So what I will do is I will just system.debug and see whether the record is getting displayed or not. So this is the variable. In this variable I'll see whether the record is displayed or not. Okay, control S. Okay, so now I'll just call this class and method again. Okay, I have identified the problem. The thing is, we are calling some other thing, other class, and this is some other class. So what I'll do is, I'll just copy this mm is equal to new class name semicolon dot, now I have to call the method 1 semicolon. Okay, I'll execute, select this and click on execute highlighted. I'll just click on debug only. So here we can see that data is coming in the variable Sumit. This is the variable Sumit, and yes, it is getting displayed here. First name Sumit, last name Sharma, department IT, and it is showing the ID of the record. So what is the use of this ID is, I'll just copy this ID and then I'll paste it here. So now we are redirected to the record which we have created. So this is the record which we have created, and this is the ID of the record. So what were we trying to create? We were trying to create first name Sumit, last name Sharma. That is created. You can see it here, first name Sumit, last name Sharma, and where the department is IT. Okay, so this is the record which is created. Previously it was unable to create because we were giving the class name as wrong class we are calling. So now what I'll do is, so this is the record. Okay, now I want to update this description. By using the upsert. And as well as I want to create a new record using upsert statement. The existing record that is inserted should get updated, as well as a new record should get created. So for that, what I'll do is, I will update the description as Sumit, because data is present in this variable, dot Sumit dot description. Okay, I'll give the description. For giving the description, we have to use this equal to Sumit's. Will this be accepted? No. So we have to escape this using escape character. Sumit's record has been updated using upsert operation. Okay, and close this inverted comma. Semicolon. Save, and got saved. Now I'll add a comment here. Sumit record has been inserted another comment. So the variable Sumit has now the what ID is having the ID, right? This is a variable Sumit is having the ID now. So what is the use of that ID? It will be used, which will be used to match the records, using Upsert. Okay, so that ID will be used to match the record using Upsert. So let's see how will that be done. Now I'll create a contact Suman is equal to new contact. Okay, so this is the variable Suman, and in this I will add first name is equal to Suman, comma last name is equal to Sharma, and then I'll add the department as finance. Okay, so this contact record we are creating, contact Suman is equal to new contact, first name is Suman, last name is Sharma, where the department is finance. Okay, now I'll just save it and let's see whether there are any errors or not. So there are no errors. Now I have created a contact. Okay, the details first name, last name, department is stored in Suman variable. Now I'll add a comment here. We are creating a Suman contact but not persisting or putting in the database. So right now we are not persisting it in database. So for putting it in the database, what I'll do, I will put it in the database together, that is Sumit and Suman. So for that I will create a list of contact. I'll name this as con variable is equal to new list of contacts. Actually it is only contacts is not permissible. So here in flower brackets, what I want to put Sumit data in Sumit variable, what all the records we have, first name, last name, department, and in Suman we have Suman variable, we have first name is Suman, last name Sharma, then department is finance, Sumit comma Suman semicolon. So list contact con is equal to new list of contact Sumit comma Suman. This Sumit and Suman will get stored here in this con. Okay, now what I'll do is upsert con semicolon and save. So what is the use of upsert? If we do upsert con, so what will happen is the Sumit record which is already created, first name we have seen Sumit record which is already created, Sumit department IT, Here we are only updating the description, okay, using upsert statement. This description will get updated and new contact record will be created. New contact record is Suman, that will be created, okay. So invalid type contact is the error, so we are missing the A. contact contact. Now I'll try to save it again. So now there are no errors. So what is the result of this? I'll add a comment here, result Josh, I mean here what name we have given, Sumit. Sumit will get updated and Suman will get created. Sumit will be updated to the description. This will get updated and Suman will be created. This is the new, right? Suman Sharma, Department Finance. This new contact will be created, and that is because we are using upsert. So this is the use of upsert. Existing record which is already inserted, that will get updated using description, and the new record which we are creating, that will get inserted using upsert. Okay, now I'll try to save this. So after this gets saved, we will call this class and method. So it is saved, no errors. Now debug, open, execute anonymous window and execute highlighted. If you want, we can see it here in debug only. So here in debug only we can see what are the values coming. So we have done debug for Sumit, so only we can see whatever the values coming in Sumit. If we want to see whatever the values coming in con, we can add system.debug con. Okay, so now let me see whether a contact is created and updated. Okay, our contact is created, our department is finance, and let's see this is updated or not. Yes, this description is updated. Okay, so this is the use of upsert statements. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.